Here we have an Oldsmobile with a 3800 Series 2 engine. Doing an upper radiator hose, kind of preventative maintenance. As you can see, I've already removed the top cover. There's a cover right over here that basically just has these two screws. There's another cover here that has really easy to remove wing nuts on the top of each screw. So once you get these covers off, you'll have access to kind of this section of the engine a little bit easier. You can see I removed the radiator hose that hasn't blown yet, but you can see the difference in size there. It has a huge bulge. You get this huge bulge. So eventually it would have exploded. So we have the new one right here, which will go right in there, like that. And these little clips basically just push together with a pair of pliers and slide over the ends to kind of create a better seal. Hope this video helps. If you have any questions, please post below. Thanks for watching.